I remember back in 2008 and 2009, I had this idea. I was really trying to grow this channel. I was trying to get more subscribers, get more views on it, and it was gaining some traction, but for the most part, it was just really frustrating. It was like pretty flat, and I wasn't really achieving the goals that I wanted for it. And so I took a really big risk. I took thousands of dollars out of my family savings account, and I traveled all the way across the country to Los Angeles for an event where I was going to meet with other YouTube creators and hear them talk about their channels and what was working for them and what wasn't working for them. I was going to learn new insights and get new perspectives, and most importantly, make connections with people that I never otherwise would have met, many of which who are still really good friends of mine today. And ever since then, I have been growing multiple YouTube channels and helping many other brands and hobby creators grow their channels and their audiences online to really meet the goals that they have for their content. We have seen many creators go from like hobby little channel to like full-time creators, millions of subscribers, millions of views, building businesses around their audiences and their channels now. It's been amazing. And so one of the ways that we love doing that is actually through this little thing we started a few years ago called Video Labs. Video Labs originally is a 10-week experience with me and my team online where we're just digging into you and your content and your channel. It's been wildly successful for many creators, and so now we're actually taking that experience and bringing it here in person for several days here in Cincinnati, Ohio, where we get to actually meet face to face and connect in small groups and dig into each other's channels, the roadblocks that you in particular are facing, and the issues and the struggles that you have, and the audience that you're trying to reach. This isn't just like general YouTube information that you can get like anywhere online. This is specifically oriented and designed for you and your channel. So there's an application process that we go through. We typically get hundreds and hundreds of creators who apply to become a part of this, and we hand select 20 of you to come for this really personalized experience. We handpick these people, put them together into one group here for a few days in Cincinnati so that they can get the maximum amount of value from each other and from our leading industry experts who come and facilitate this whole entire experience.
Before I came to this event, I really didn't know where I was going with anything. I had some good videos and I enjoyed making them, but I really had no blueprint. I didn't have any direction or any idea where to go with it. And the reason that I decided to plop down the money to come to this event was because I really needed a blueprint and a game plan. And so I came in here with a very vague idea and a vague understanding of what I had and where I wanted to go. And honestly, this has been a 2-day conference, and yesterday I figured out exactly all that, and today was just bonus.
The ability to really be around other creators for 2 days, not only is just great to see these types of people, like you see them on YouTube and you think you know them, but really interacting with them and getting feedback from them to know what works on their channel, and maybe that's a strategy you could use on your channel, and then vice versa, you helping them with their channel. And it's just been a lot of great collaboration and a lot of great ideas moving forward.
Even during kind of the social time when you're just talking to people, the little bits and pieces that you get that, you know, just come out of natural conversation about goals and aspirations is just, I think, things that I would have never heard of or had anybody tell me or known to look for. So that was incredibly helpful.
I truly believe in what Tim is trying to accomplish here, and what I love about this is it's an environment that can have creators thrive because you're able to get personalized attention about questions that you've always had from people that really know what they're talking about.
Just come, believe me, they know more than you do, and you're gonna learn so much. Even if you think that you already know a lot, you have no idea.